It's Sunday. Happy Sunday. Today, I'm getting ready to go out this morning for my morning walk as part of my morning ritual and my 90-day challenge. When I'm home and not working, I have this beautiful little lake near me. I'll have to bring my camera and show you some pictures. Today's my big Avon giveaway, and for 3 lucky people, I'm going to be sending out to you a ton of amazing samples from Avon, including all kinds of makeup, skincare, lipsticks, perfumes, and each of you will receive one of these beauty A boxes. And these are really amazing because look at the stuff that comes inside these boxes. I think I have 3 of these. I also have a couple of these, so 3 people are gonna win the A box plus the samples. It's really fun. They have some amazing products. I'm so excited for you to try. So for those of you who want to sign up and win your Avon sample packet with the Avon A box, just down below, just put, I want my Avon A box, and I will pick all of the people that have responded. I will put them in a randomizer and I will let you know next Sunday who wins, and I will get those out to you Monday morning. And I'm so excited because you're going to love these Avon A boxes. For those of you who are following my 90-day challenge, I'm getting ready to go walk at the lake near my house. I'll have to bring my camera to show you pictures of how beautiful it is. I've been doing so well. It's like day 4 for me now, and I went to the doctor, my GI doctor, and I got weighed, and I have lost, I swear to you, like 3 pounds in under a week. I've just been, this morning I had my apple little turkey burger from the Dr. Amy Meyer's Way, with a huge helping of kale with a tiny bit of drizzle of olive oil and some pepper and Himalayan sea salt. I feel light, I feel terrific. I know I'm gonna do this. I did my kettlebell workout this morning, which is just so amazing, and I'll put a kettlebell workout on my custom playlist that I made for everyone. If you haven't already, you can download my 90-day challenge ebook at bosslifebeauty.com. Every week I'm adding more and more videos to my playlist that I've formulated on YouTube. The way you get to the playlist is you download the ebook, and there's a link to the playlist in the ebook that you can open on your phone or your iPad. I also am considering maybe putting a playlist page on my Boss Life Beauty website in the future, but I just think it's so easy. The reason I have them on the ebook is because if you have an iPad or phone or even your smart TV, you can open up the guide, click on the links, and you have the videos right there, and they're really easy to do. So another thing I just wanted to talk to you about is eyebrows. Now, I used to work for one of the biggest eyebrow stylists in New Jersey. I was a receptionist at this really gorgeous high-end spa. John Bon Jovi's wife used to come in, Bruce Springsteen's wife used to come in, all the rich and famous people from New Jersey. If any of you have never been to New Jersey, the little enclave area where I grew up, it was so beautiful, right on the beach, and just preppy. I love it. I'm considering maybe moving back there. It's just so dear to my heart. But one of the things that I learned working for her, and she used to style everyone on television, all the New York people used to come down, is that when you're doing your eyebrows, and I see a lot of mistakes in women over 50. And for those of you who don't know, I used to be a makeup artist for years. I worked in the major department stores. I worked at a couple high-end spas. I've been to makeup training. But one thing I want to tell you that I learned from this amazing eyebrow stylist is, and she used to dye my eyebrows, she used to do such a great job, but when women age, they make a huge mistake, and I see this all the time with women at my job. They make their eyebrows, they let their eyebrows grow down, because sometimes your eyebrows grow down as you get older, but we need to lift them up, so we need to be plucking right here to keep them so that they're not like 2 little half circles or like an upside down smile. And I see so many women making that mistake. And I fly with this other gal who is a makeup artist outside of being a flight attendant. On the side, she works for a big wedding photographer. She's in her 30s, and she said the same thing. We were talking about it because we noticed it on a lot of women, especially over the age of 50. Another thing I learned from my eyebrow stylist friend is that when your eyebrows are full, or when you're younger, your eyebrows are always lighter at the heaviest part in the beginning, right here. Right here, your eyebrows are always lighter than they are anywhere else because you have the most hair there and they're exposed to the sun more. So a key trick is to take maybe a gold, they have like gold eyebrow gel. If you're blonde, or even if you're brunette, you could take a little bit of that gold eyebrow gel when you're after you pencil in and powder your eyebrows in, because we all lose eyebrow hair and our eyebrows get a lot lighter as we get older, and maybe just put a little of that in the corner areas to keep that area looking lighter. And then the heaviest part of your eyebrow, the most defined part, should always be at the arch, and then it tapers off and gets lighter toward the end. So I'm off to do my 2-mile walk. I've done my kettlebell workout. I'm gonna come back and have my beautiful salmon with mixed greens lunch with a little drizzle of balsamic vinegar and a tiny bit of olive oil. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in a little bit.